Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make HMV license step by step. Start by gathering valid ID, proof of address, and payment method. Visit the official application portal or local office and complete the form carefully. Upload or attach required photos and supporting documents, then pay the applicable fee and keep your receipt. Track your submission using the reference number and follow up if you do not receive confirmation within the stated timeframe. Collecting the right documents will speed up your license application and reduce back and forth. Make sure your photo ID is current and readable, and that your proof of address matches the details on the form. If any special paperwork is needed, like a name change certificate, include it. Check photo size and quality requirements closely, and organize everything in a folder or digital scan to keep the process smooth and stress-free. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: I use these leak-proof containers to stay organized when I prepare documents and meals on busy days, and they really save time. Look for the product I mentioned in the description along with other deals and resources that support this process. Thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. When filling out the application, take your time and read each instruction carefully to prevent mistakes that cause delays. Use a reliable device and stable internet connection when submitting online, and review uploaded files for clarity. If you must visit in person, arrive early with organized documents. Keep digital backups and note confirmation or tracking numbers so you can quickly resolve any follow-ups without anxiety or extra visits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.